I'm trying to get this popping sound when I'm playing this. And so I want to make sure that I'm playing with the exact same velocity, so the exact same amount of momentum or speed going into the head. And when I say velocity, I also mean the direction. So we don't want to have it so that like you're playing straight up and down here, and then your left hand is like at a slice like this. That's going to give you a different sound quality. So doing a double stop like this makes it so that you can actually hear if you have imbalances, and you start to hear that flam sound. So see how my right hand is higher than my left? But once I get it back to this pop sound, then I know I have the same sound quality. So if I'm trying to make sure that the right hand and the left hand sound the same, doing this as a double stop really allows you to hear if those interior taps are the same height, the same timing, etc., etc.